Hello, my dear children. Welcome to online 6th standard computer science 14th class. Children, already finished the lesson 4 book exercise and question answers. Today we are going to see the new chapter Mail Merge in Word 2016. Chapter 5 Mail Merge in Word 2016. These are the topics we'll cover in the chapters. Understand the need for mail merge. Perform steps of mail merge. What is the meaning of mail merge? Mail merge is a handy feature that incorporates data from both Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel and allows you to create multiple documents. At once, such as letters, saving you the time and effort of retyping the same letter over and over. Isn't it, children? Mail merge is a useful application of Word software. The Word 2016 has solved this problem in mail merge using an easy set of steps as detailed here. You can create various letters and mail them. Then, the reason for the name mail merge for the application. They consist of 3 steps. They are, all of you take your computer book, take page number 48. First step, creation of main document. Second one, creation of address list. Then third one, merging main document with address list to produce various letters. Mail merge is a feature within most data processing applications that enables users to send a similar letter or document to multiple recipients. It enables connecting a single form template with a data source that contains information about the recipient's name, address and other predefined and support data. That is mail merge. Listen ma? Yes. Then data source. Data source meaning a data source is where that data that is being used to run a report or gain information is originating from. For computer programs, the data source is the address list is also known as the data source. The data source is a spreadsheet, XML file, then data sheet or hard-coded, then data within the program. Depending the computer system or program, data sources will differ. The process of mail merge combines the data source with the main document. Then final letters is known as the merged document. All of the final letters are known as merged document. Underline the word merged document, then data source. Next, process of mail merge. There are 6 steps in order to perform mail merge. First step 1, select document type. Second step, select starting document. Third step, select recipients. Fourth step, write your letter. Fifth step, preview your letters. Then sixth one, complete the merge. There are 6 steps. Then I am going to say step 1, select document type. Okay, select document type ma. Then step 1, open a new document in MS Word and click on the mailing tabs. All of you see the figure 5.1 starting mail merge. See ma, all of you listen. First step, open a new document in MS Word and click on the mailing tabs. Then second, click here. Second step, you see the picture, click here. Click on the Start Mail Merge option. Click on the Start Mail Merge option. A drop down menu appears. Click on the Step-by-Step Mail Merge Wizard. Third step, click on the Step-by-Step Mail Merge Wizard. The Mail Merge taskbar will open on the right side of the screen. Right side of the screen. Then step 2. Select starting document. First step, click on the Use the current document option. Use the current document option. All of you see the figure 5.2, selecting current document for mail merge. First step, use the current document. Then second one, click on the next, select recipients. You will move to next step. Then next, select recipients. Okay. Then select recipients. Recipients means the recipients list. Click on the select recipients option in the mailing tabs. A drop down menu appears showing different mail merge list source. As your contact information is already available in Excel Live, then click on Use an existing list. This is where 2016. Okay, ma? Yes. Selecting the recipient list. First step, to create a new list. First step, click on the Type a new list. Second step, click on the Create option. Then the new address list dialog box will appear. Figure 5.3. You see the picture? Mail merge taskbar to create a new list. First step and second step. Then third step, if you want to change or delete the columns, click on the Customize columns. Then click on the Customize columns in the new address list dialog box. The Customize address list dialog box open. Then if you want to delete any field, then select field from the field names. All of you see the figure 5.5. Then click here. Fourth step, delete option. Okay, ma? Then click here, add. Fifth step. Then names box and click on the delete option. A message for confirmation will appear. Click on the S button. Then to delete the field. Otherwise, click on no. The selected field will get deleted. Then figure 5.6, message box to confirm deletion of field. All of you see the figure 5.6, the message box to confirm deletion of field. Then to add a new field, select the entry after which you want to add a new field and click on add button. Click on add button, add. Then the add field dialog box opens. All of you figure 5.7. You see the picture. Add field dialog box. Then type the field name and click on OK button. Type the field name means mobile number. Okay. Then OK button. Click on the OK button. The new address list dialog box is ready with all the fields you want. Then seventh step, type all the entries and click on OK button. Then save address. The save address list dialog box opens. Figure 5.8, you see the picture, all of you. New address list dialog box. Seventh step, click here, OK button. Records and fields. Okay, this is records and then this is fields. Then eighth step, type the name of your file in the file name box and click on save button. Save button. The mail merge recipients dialog box opens. Then Figure 5.9, save address list dialog box. Click here, save button. Type the name of file name, recipients. See the figure 5.9 ma. Then 9th step, you can edit, sort, filter for etc. The details of recipients, click on the OK button. And if you see the figure 5.10, 5.10, mail merge recipients dialog box. Click here, OK button. See ma, sort, filter, refine recipients list. You see the picture, sort, filter, find duplicates, find recipient, validate addresses. Now click on the next, write your letter in mail merge task pane. Now click on the next mail, write your letter in mail merge task pane. Next class I will discuss about the write your letter ma. Okay ma, listen. Have you understood? Yes children. Okay ma. Today homework, read this chapter, page number 48, 49 and 50. Are you understand children? Yes. Thank you children.